There is no right or wrong way to feel grief. It's a very personal experience, and I think all of us have experienced grief in our life. Um, so we can't say that this will last for X number of years and then it'll be okay. It's not like that. But definitely there are stages of grief, and if you're aware of those stages, it helps us to know that this is a normal cycle. These are things you can expect. Like, for example, the first stage of grief is denial. Here, we just don't want to believe that what we are hearing is actually true. We might be telling ourselves that I just want to close my eyes and wake up feeling this was just a bad dream. It never happened. So that is denial or shock. That is it really true? How can it be true? Then the next stage of grief is anger. And anger is not a primary emotion, it is a secondary emotion. So a primary emotion is hurt. When we are deeply, deeply hurt, that's why we are angry. And in those situations, we might be angry at ourselves. Like, I should have taken care of myself better. I should have taken care of that person better. I should have been more responsible. Or it could be towards other people. Like, because of you, I am in this situation. Or, you maybe just blaming God or anything that has caused you, that you feel is the reason behind it. And that anger is very, very strong. After that, there's a phase of bargaining where we think, okay, if this would have happened, this wouldn't have happened. If I had not gone out that day, if I had not, touched A, B, C, D, E, or if I had not shaken hands with somebody, or, anything, if I had not done this, this wouldn't have happened. And that is a bargaining stage. There we try to take meaning out of it. We try to negotiate with ourselves. We look at a alternate situation. But that also doesn't last for too long, and we know that what we are actually thinking may not actually take us anywhere. It's not really giving us closure. Then there is a stage of depression also, where you may feel extremely helpless. You may feel like there's no point in talking. You feel just so irritated. You might just not have any energy to interact with people you like. Your body may be exhausted. You may not get sleep. Your food habits, appetite may get affected. You may feel a lot of the sense of despair that nothing can change and this is just the worst situation ever. And then there is change. There is a last stage of acceptance where we are able to kind of make sense of it, and we are able to have a goal, and we sort of say, okay, if there is a meaning to my life, there's a meaning to this everything, it has taught me something, I've learned something or reflected on something. So those are also situations that we experience, and it may not actually happen in the same order that I said. It could be just you may feel like that things I've accepted, and the very next moment you may fall back into anger and then jump back to depression or go back to shock. So it can happen in any zigzag manner, but typically these are the stages of grief that you will experience, and it's normal in a situation where we are at loss of everything, of life, of our dreams, of our health. So much is at stake. We are in a collective grief. So these are common experiences that you will have. But the brighter side of that is, what can I do about it? Is to do things which are in our control. Read positive things. Talk to people who give you energy. Eat healthy food. Do light exercise. Movement is important. Drink lots of water. Connect with things that matter. Your body will not allow you in the beginning. But make sure that you do something that interests you, or something that adds value to your life, and it will be fine. I was reading a research today that 99% of this is under control. We can get cured, we can move ahead, and having that outlook really helps. So take a moment to breathe, take a moment to look at what I can do that's in my control, and let's do that, until we make these small changes in our life. It may seem like a very heavy thing to deal with. We are all here for support. Reach out to people who you love, who needs support, who find creative ways to engage with people, and I think that's most important. All the best. I hope this video helped.